In today's video, I will walk you through how to use CoinMarketCap in PC or desktop. To start, go to CoinMarketCap and review the homepage layout. At the top, you will find different sections, including cryptocurrencies, exchanges, community, products, and learn. First, focus on the cryptocurrencies section. Here, you can find information about different coins, including their price, market cap, volume, and circulating supply. On the left side of the page, you can see the total number of cryptocurrencies listed on CoinMarketCap and the number of exchanges available. To view exchanges, click on the Exchanges section. Here, you can find different cryptocurrency exchanges and view their ranking, market cap, and volume information. The cryptocurrencies section includes different options such as coin rankings, global charts, fair ranking, company ranking, spotlight, gainers and losers, recently added coins, and historical snapshots. The exchanges section includes different crypto exchange platforms. You can view exchange rankings, volume, and other available information. Next, you can create a portfolio on CoinMarketCap. Add the coins you own to your portfolio to check your profit and loss information. To create a watch list, select a coin and click the star icon. Add the coins you want to track to your watch list. You can add multiple coins and view them easily from the watchlist section. From the watch list, you can check the current price, market cap, volume, and other available information for your selected coins. Now, select a cryptocurrency to view its details. You can check the current price, 24-hour percentage change, and 7-day percentage change. The green color shows that the price has increased, while the red color shows that the price has decreased. The 7-day percentage shows how much the coin price has changed over 1 week. You can also view the 7-day chart to check the price movement. Next, check the market cap information. Market cap shows how much money is invested in the cryptocurrency. You can also check the 24-hour volume, which shows the amount of money traded within 1 day. The circulating supply section shows how much of the cryptocurrency supply is currently available to users. You can also check the maximum supply when available. Compare the circulating supply and maximum supply information for the selected coin. To view the coin price chart, scroll down to the chart section. Here, you can review the price movement over different time periods. You can also check additional details, including price statistics, 24-hour low and high prices, trading volume, market dominance, and ranking information. For more information about a cryptocurrency, open its details page. You can find the official website, social media information, community details, and other available resources. You can also review information about the coin, including its description, founders, features, and available exchanges. Use the same process for other cryptocurrencies to check their price, market cap, volume, circulating supply, charts, and additional information on CoinMarketCap. Thank you for watching.